Jodie and Sydd, and I'm going to be taking you through kettlebells class today. We're going to start off with a nice warm-up and then we're going to get into the session. If you have any injuries or there's any of the exercises that aggravate any injuries that you may have, then either don't do that exercise or you can change it for something else. Throughout the class I'll show you different ways to make the exercise harder and then we'll go from there, or we can make it easier. Okay, so let's get into it. We're going to get nice and warmed up, get the blood pumping, and let's get into it. Okay, marching on the spot. Now arms nice and low, shoulders back, head up. We're going to take it out to the side, let's go. Arms nice and loose at the moment. Perfect. Well done. We're going to tap it out to the front, let's go. Get that blood pumping, oxygen flowing around the body. On my say, we're going to take it back. Right leg, let's go. Using those arms a bit more now. Okay, stretching out the chest. Bringing it behind. Well done. Perfect. Keep it going. Knee to the front, let's go. Nice work, landing those heels. Okay, we'll bring the arms in a minute. Bring them up, let's go. Brilliant. On my say, we're going to take it into a step curl. Right leg, let's go. Pushing back, use those arms to drive. Fantastic. Now taking it into gentle jog. Well done. Using those arms a bit more now. We're going to roll the shoulders forwards. Perfect. All the way, let's go. Okay, if you want to take it into a march, then you can do. If you're happy with the jogging, stay with it. Take those shoulders back now. Nice small movements to start with. All the way. Awesome. Take it into a march. We're going to take the legs slightly wider than shoulder width apart. We're going to take it into windmill. Bring it down, let's go. Okay, reaching as low as you can. If you can't make it all the way, don't worry. Well done. And marching. Push it up, let's go. And jog. Well done. Should be getting nice and warm now. Well done. Keep it going. And march. We're going to get those legs really warm now. We're going to take it into 10 squats. I'm going to show you from the side, not so low to start with. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, going lower this time. 6, 7, push the bottom out. Don't let the knees go over the toes. Last one. Hold it there, well done. Just going to grab my music. Okay guys, if you need to take a quick drink, then please do so. I'm just going to grab mine here. I want you to make sure throughout the class you stay hydrated. Okay, if you need to pause the video at all at any time to grab a drink or to have a little bit of a longer rest, then please do so. Okay, remember after class as well, it's really important to stay hydrated, so to drink a bit extra today than you normally would because you've been exercising. Okay, so we are going to go into the main session. Excuse me a moment. I am going to grab my lovely kettlebell. Okay, if you've got one of these at home, fantastic. If you don't have a kettlebell, okay, what you can do is you can get a backpack, you can fill it with some bottle of water, a few bottles of water, some cans, some rocks from the garden, okay? Be careful though if you're using that and you're swinging it above your head, okay, especially if it's open, keep the swings low, okay? So there's lots of options there. Excuse me. What we're going to start with is we're going to go into the Sumo Squat, okay? I'm going to show you here before we get into it. So with the Sumo Squat, we've got our feet wider than shoulder width apart, our toes pointing out to the corner of the room. Okay, we're going to be holding the kettlebell. Okay, you can either hold it like so or upside down. If you've got it here close to the chest, always, okay? Keep it in close to the body, okay? And we're going to bring it down. Okay, I'm going to show you from the side as well, like so. Bring it down and up, down and up, okay? Never locking out the knees. Okay, and then the second movement, what we're going to do is Sumo Squat pulses. Okay, so again, the same position, kettlebell close to the body, and we're going to pulse like so. Okay, I'm going to get my timer ready. It's going to be 20 seconds on the exercise, 10 seconds rest. Okay, so you get that 10 seconds to recover, and then we get back into it. And I'm just going to find that here. If you want to grab a drink while I'm getting this, then please do so. Okay, so here is one I prepared earlier, and we're going to go for it. Hopefully. Just a second. It's always good, isn't it, when technology's involved, isn't it? Okay. Not that one, this one here. Load saved workout, and we're going to go for it. Okay, so starting with the Sumo Squat, the next exercise, Sumo Squat pulse, and then we'll go back to the Sumo Squat. We'll be repeating, okay, for 8. You'll see what I mean, it will all become apparent. Let's go. Perfect. Okay, don't rush through the exercise. Try and get as low as you can without locking the knees out on the way up as well. Perfect, 5 seconds to go. And hold it there, 10 seconds rest, okay, before we go into the Sumo Squat, squat pulses. I'm going to go on the side here to show you. Let's go. And, whew, don't fall over. If you need to have a chair to hold on, okay, then please do. And also, with the weights, okay, choose the one that suits you better. 5 seconds to go. And hold it there. Okay, if you want to have a quick stretch, you can reach forwards, okay, while you're having your break. And we're going to get ready. 3 seconds to go. We're going into Sumo Squats this time. Let's go. Perfect. Okay, on the way up, switching on the glutes. Okay, keeping them tight, keeping your core tight as well. 3 seconds to go. And hold it there. Okay, next one, back into the Sumo Squat pulses. Okay, get ready. Let's go. Pulse it out. Remember, keeping the toes pointed out to the corners of the room. Just little tiny pulses. Okay, keeping the core tight, shoulders back, head up. 5 seconds. And bring it up, shake it out now, guys. Okay, going into the Sumo Squat. Are we ready? Let's go. Bring it down and up. Down and up. Switching those glutes on. Okay, nice deep breaths. Perfect. Almost there. Hold it there, march it out before we get into the squat pulses. How's everyone feeling? Let's do it, come on. Brilliant. Fantastic. Remember, keep the kettlebell close to the chest. Almost there. Bring it up. Shake it out, well done. Okay guys, get ready now. Sumo squats. Are we ready? Get in position. Bring it down and up. Okay, don't rush through it. Nice and controlled always. Well done. These are really, really good for the glutes, okay? For the adductors. On the inside here. And hold it there. Okay guys, last one now into the pulses. Are we ready? Positions. Let's go. Fantastic. You'll probably feel it burning a little bit now. You're doing brilliant. Nice work. Almost there. Keep going. And hold it there, guys. Okay, we've got a 1 minute break now. Okay, quick drink, and I will explain what we're going on to next. Okay, so 2 exercises again now, and we'll be alternating. So to start with, grab our trusty friend, our kettlebell here. Lateral lunges with squats, okay? So that is, again, same position that we were in before in the last exercise. You're going to bring it down, up, squat, up, down, up, squat, up. Okay, and we're going to keep doing that for the 20 seconds. The next exercise will be reverse lunges. I'm going to grab a chair, excuse me. Okay, if you need to hold on for this exercise, please do. Okay, you can have your kettlebell on the side, or if you're doing it without, like so, and then we will be like so. Okay guys, so we're going into lateral squat. Let's go. Lateral lunge with a squat. Fantastic. Brilliant. Okay, now into the reverse lunges. I'm going to show you from the side as well, so that you can see. Knee goes at a 90-degree position. Okay, bring it back, down, up, change. Back, down, up, change. Like so. Okay, we're not letting the knees go over the toes. We're keeping the shoulders back, head up, head in a neutral position, okay? So you're looking straight in front. Okay, quick break now, guys, before we go into the lateral lunge with squat. I hope you're all doing well there. Okay, let's do it. Down, up, center, up, down. Brilliant. Okay, really another really good exercise for the glutes, hamstrings, and the quads. Okay, now back into the lunges. I'm going to do it from this side now so you can see from both angles. We're going to step it back. Let's go. Okay, so we're going straight down. Again, shoulders back, head facing forwards. Okay, don't strain the neck. Taking it slow. There's absolutely no rush. Perfect. Okay, back into our lateral lunges. It's a bit of a mouthful, that one, isn't it? Okay, are we ready? Bring it down to the center. Okay. If at home you want to put some music on yourselves, then please do so. Okay, we're having a few issues with copyright, so we're not having music at the moment. But if you want to have music at home, then you can put it on, and hopefully you can hear me over it as well then. and hold it there. Okay, into the lunges. Why not do it from the front position now so you can see all angles? Are we ready? Let's go. Take it back and up together. Back, up together. Well done.
10.
Stay with it. You're doing brilliant.
5.
Okay, if you want to do these exercises as well without the kettlebell, then that's no problem at all. Okay guys, quick 10-second rest and we're going to go into the lateral lunges with the squat. Let's go. Bring it down, up, down. So you're poking the bottom out. Okay, next time I'll do it from the other position so you can see. Try and keep your core switched on at all times, okay? So your stomach, try and suck that belly button into your spine and hold it there. Okay guys, quick shake off before we go into the reverse lunges. 3 seconds. Let's go. Doing a fantastic job there.
50.
It's a beautiful day here today. I hope you have nice sunshine out your windows and you can get out for a walk today. We've had a lot of rain, so it's nice to break the days up with some sunshine. Okay, and hold it there. Okay, if you want to put your kettlebells down for a second and shake off while you're in your break, then go for it. Okay, that's it now guys. We've got 1 minute rest. Okay, so if you want to grab a drink again, please go for it. Next one, okay, so we've got the kettlebell swings. I'm looking over here because it's my board here, so it tells me what we've got next, so just in case you think I'm just a bit strange. And then we've got the kettlebell squeeze, okay? So kettlebell swings, bringing it down and pushing it up. Driving through the heels, pushing it up. Okay, that's the first exercise. Second exercise, kettlebell squeeze, okay? So find a position where you're comfortable. It can be one foot in front of the other, feet to the side, whatever feels better for you. Taking it out, bringing it in. Taking it out, bringing it in, like so. Okay guys, and we're going to repeat that for 8. Okay, are we ready? Kettlebell swings, let's do it. Okay, make sure you've got space around you. Okay, you don't want to be hitting the walls or hitting someone in front of you because these are could be quite dangerous if you've got someone in front of you. Okay, and hold it there. Kettlebell squeeze, get ready. Remember, where you're comfortable. 3 seconds, are we ready? Out, squeeze, in, squeeze. Out, squeeze, in, squeeze. Fantastic. Brilliant.
10.
Okay, really good for the arms and the chest.
5.
There we go, brilliant. Okay, back into the swing. I'm going to face you this time. How are you finding it, guys? Let's go. So bringing it down, driving through the heels, squeezing the glutes.
50.
Fantastic. Okay, just up to shoulder height.
10.
Controlled all the way up, controlled all the way down.
5.
Brilliant. Almost there. And hold it there. Quick rest. If you want to have a shake off, then please do so. Okay, let's get into it. The squeeze. Let's go. 20 seconds. That's all. Time flies when you're having fun. Well done.
10.
Perfect.
5.
Well done. And hold it there. Okay, into the swings now, guys. Okay, get ready. Let's go. Bring it up, shoulder height. Okay, driving through the hips. Perfect. Squeezing the glutes.
10.
Well done. Controlled all the time.
5.
Okay, make sure you hold on properly as well. You don't want to be flinging this at your window. And hold it there. Okay, if you want to put your kettlebell down for a second and have another shake off, okay, before we go into the squeeze. Okay, bringing it behind. Let's go. to the front and to the chest. Squeezing, squeeze, squeeze. Fantastic.
10,
Halfway. Doing brilliant.
5,
Well done. And hold it there. Quick rest now before we get back into the swings. Okay guys, again, if you've got a lighter weight, okay, and you want to do something a bit different, you can do single arms, okay? It's totally up to you. Find what works better for you. We're going to do it like this today. Well, I am.
5,
Well done. Okay, this exercise is brilliant. It works quite a few muscles all at the same time. Okay, and hold it there. Are we ready? Let's go for the squeeze. You're doing really well. Okay, there's so much you can do with kettlebells. They're a brilliant piece of equipment if you can get your hands on them.
5,
Well done. Okay, quick rest. In fact, you've got a minute now, so grab a drink if you need one. I'm going to get into the next exercise. I'm going to give you a demonstration. Okay, so we've got tricep extensions. You can either do this standing up or sitting down. If you want to do it sitting down, okay, it's like so. Bringing it back and up. Okay, so you're keeping your arms and elbows close to your ears, in at the side. Okay, and then we're going to go into lateral raises. Okay, so you can do this sitting down as well if you like. Switching arms, just make sure you have room at the side. Okay, so we've got a slight bend in the elbow. Okay, and we're switching over like so. Pinky pointing up. Okay, 10 seconds, and we're going to get into it. So, up to you again if you want to stand up or sit down. I'm going to stay standing in position. Let's go. Nice and controlled. And these are for your triceps, otherwise known as bingo wings.
10,
Okay, keep the core tight at the same time. Okay, and then you get a double whammy.
5,
Well done. Okay, into the lateral raises. Remember, keep a slight bend in the elbows, and we're switching from one arm to the next. Okay, find a position you're comfortable, and bringing it up. Okay, these are going to work your shoulders. Okay, so here. Well done. Okay, you don't need heavy weights for this. Remember, pinky pointing up. Hold it there. Okay, into the triceps. You get 10 seconds rest because I'm nice. And are we ready? In positions? Let's do it. Well done. Nice and controlled. Okay. Keep the spine neutral. Facing forward, not straining the neck.
5,
Well done. And hold it there. 10 seconds. Okay, if you're finding that your kettlebell is getting heavy, you can use your chair, and to work the triceps instead, you can do like so. Okay, into the next exercise, lateral raises.
15,
Well done. Nice work.
10,
Doing brilliant.
5,
Okay, you can also do this with your resistance band if you have, and hold it there, break time. We're going to have a quick shake off before we get into the lateral raises. Let's go. Remember, keeping the arms close to the head. Okay, we're not moving the top of the arms, we're just bending at the elbow. Nice and controlled.
5,
And hold it there. Quick rest. I've got a hair in my mouth. Okay, are we ready? In position. Let's go. Almost there now, guys.
15,
Well done. Doing perfectly well.
10,
Remember the bend, slight bend.
5,
Pinkies up towards the ceiling. Hold it there, quick rest. Okay, again, like I said, we're going to do now, if you want to, do on the chair instead of with the kettlebell, you can do that. I'm going to do this here with you now as an example. Okay, both working the same muscles. Okay, if you find the kettlebell's getting too heavy, this is another option for you. Well done.
5,
And hold it there. Okay, 10 seconds rest into the lateral raises. Okay, let's go. Let's do it. Bring it up. Perfect. Switching hands.
15,
Keep the bend. Nice and controlled.
10,
Keep the core nice and tight, okay?
5,
Sucking the belly button in towards the spine. And hold it there. You've got a minute now, guys. Okay. So next one, figure of 8, left and right. I'll show you that now. I'm just going to have a quick sip of my drink. And then we shall get into it. Okay, this is the last exercise now, guys, before we come down onto the ground. Then we're going to do the abs quickly, then stretching, and then that's the session done. Time flies when you're having fun, doesn't it? Okay, so figure of 8. I'm going to bring it round the body like so. Okay, that's the first one. On the second one, we're going to go the opposite direction. Okay, and figure of 8 because it's like the 8 going through and around your legs. Okay, are we ready? Let's go. Okay, again, nice and controlled.
15,
Try not to let the kettlebell hit against your legs.
10,
Brilliant. Well done.
5,
Okay, and this time we're going back the opposite way. Okay, 10 seconds before we get into it. I'm going to move the chair out of the way. Okay, are we ready? Opposite direction. Let's go. Perfect. Well done.
15,
Nicely done. Stay with it.
10,
Nice work.
5,
Well done. Hold it there. Okay, guys, 10 seconds. We're going the opposite way now, okay? Let's go. Stay with it.
15,
Well done.
10,
Okay, next, we're going to be on the floor for Russian twists, okay? So like so. If you want to do this with or without the weight, that's fine. Okay, you can either do it legs up or down. We're bringing it to the side like so. Are we ready? Let's go. Okay, again, you can do it with the feet on the floor. Okay, or you can bring your feet up, your body and your legs are in a V shape,
5,
and we're touching each side. And hold it there. Quick rest, and we're going to go and do that again. Okay, this is working the core. It's always really important to try and keep the core nice and strong. Okay,
15,
if you want to put your feet down, then please do so. If you want a mat underneath, then, or a towel, and if you want to do it without the weight, then you can do that as well. It's just as effective. And hold it there. Okay, the core is really important to keep the core nice and strong because that's what we use for balance. Okay, let's go. Well done, nice work.
15,
Almost there now. Controlled always. Try and keep the legs still.
5,
Well done. And hold it there. Okay, quick rest before we do it again. Are you ready? Let's go. And the feet up or down, completely up to you.
50.
Nice work.
10.
Stay with it, we're almost there.
5.
And hold it there. Quick rest, and have a quick stretch, and then go for it. Okay, are we ready? I believe this is the last one now, let's go. Well done.
50.
Almost there.
10.
Well done.
5.
And hold it there now, guys. Okay, quick stretch. And then that is the session over. Well done, you've all been absolutely fantastic. And I'm going to turn this off. Okay, guys, so we're going to do on the floor, we're going to bring the feet together, bring the feet as close to your bottom as you possibly can. With your elbows, you're going to push down on the knees. Okay, you're going to keep your head up and your shoulders back. Fantastic. Well done, everyone. I hope you enjoyed. Okay, we're going to bring the legs out into a V, like so. Okay, and we're going to just creep the hands forwards. Okay, some people might be able to get really close to the ground. Other people maybe just a little bit, but as long as you can feel the stretch without it being painful, then that's what we're aiming for. Fantastic. Okay, bring it back up, crossing the legs over, pushing the hands forwards and the chin on the chest. Well done. Okay, bringing the arm up and over, give yourself a pat on the back and hold it there. Okay, changing arms. Well done. Okay, don't strain the neck while you're doing this, keep it neutral. And hold it there. Okay, we're slowly going to come up to the standing position now, no rush at all. We're going to be rolling through the spine. If you want to hold on to a chair to bring yourself up, then please do so, okay? Nice and slowly. So we're going to be on the toes, okay, pushing up, rolling through the spine, nice and slow. Fantastic. Okay, we're going to reach up to the sky, big stretch. Fantastic. Okay, we're going to reach over to the side, changing sides. Okay, now take a nice deep breath in through the nose, out through the mouth. We're going to bring it round. Let's go. And again. Last one. Well done, everyone. Absolutely fantastic. Thank you very much. See you again soon.